Hello, Larry Babbitt here, Handyman Larry. I'm going to show you a little trick to taking a screw out that has the bit broken in it. This is what a good one looks like, and this is rusty tool, but it's called a Turk's bit, kind of shaped like a star with a bunch of points, and it goes in, and and it works just fine like that. Last time this was put on, it looks like the bit had broken off on there, so we can't get this in there, and that thing is just stuck there. You can see it's just, there's nothing to go in. So we're going to take this little Dremel tool, and we're just going to cut a slot in it for this screwdriver to get in there so we can take it out. So here we go. A little sparky here. This might even cause that part to vibrate out. Remember, always wear your glasses. Take your glasses for this. Okay, we'll try that. We're going to try something a little different this time. I'm going to grind off the tapered edge off the sides, so I can get a grip on it with a pair of pliers or something. See if we can get it to turn that way. I have to get a different tool because I don't think I'll be able to get a good enough grip on these pliers. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, we can probably spin it out. You can see I just made an edge, a solid edge on, I don't want to touch it, it's too hot, on there, and on the opposite side I was able to get a grip on it with the pliers just to crack it loose and then zip it out. This is how these things are supposed to work. Zip right out.